stands Sarab as a question. India does not have a pan-India supply chain ecosystem. Logistics majors cover only a few thousand pin codes. Do you see this scenario changing post-lockdown? Geeta, your take on this?
100% this will change over lockdown, because now itself post-COVID, post-lockdown, when we have started, we are seeing logistics as a big hassle. Raw material is not there, and because the production was not happening, and blue collar people are not available, there is a lot of challenges which is going on in each production setup which is happening. So because of this, the supply chain has got affected. But now we will turn it around, and it will come, because along with this is coming huge opportunity for India at this point in time. And India is going to be the third largest economy. And how is it going to be? It is only a matter of 9 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years down the line. So that making India shining is going to happen. So what will happen eventually is the logistics will get into place. As you said, it will get into all places. The infrastructure will get into place. We will get ready for the big game. Now it's all about sustenance, and we are all going to sustain whoever is in whatever place. But what is parallelly happening is in Invest India, they are lobbying to close to 1,000 international companies in Germany, in France, in USA, in GCC, across the world. Our India is lobbying to all the companies, because China is the global factory, and all the nations are wanting to de-risk that. So the biggest opportunity which is going to come is our way. India has land, vast cheap land available, and vast manpower, very, very cost-effective manpower. And youngest population in the world, highest is India, and also skilled manpower. For various reasons, opportunities are going to come our